Yeah, better defensive team in the league. I think when like if you have a good defensive structure, you're a championship team. If you don't concede goals, you have more chance of winning the game, and that's what Chiefs is doing.
Okay, what
They
you're
might not-
trying to say, okay, njengoba ngokuthola mina, is that they've not been tested.
Yes.
Okay. No, mate, I get your point.
Well, we'll see after the derby then, because the derby is where we'll be tested, right?
Yeah. Depth. No, not so sure about the depth. I don't think they have a depth as yet for me, because when you look at it and ngapha they playing caref, they playing ngapha ngithi manje phela
You
manje
use 3 wingers in fit,
Ngapha-
one position. What do you mean don't have depth?
and there's njengoba ungitshela ngalento le, something came to my mind ukuthi even when they won the game yabo le babuya kuyo le Gallant lo muntu uthi uyacross.
The defender, I put it in the box. If it goes in, what was my intention? My intention was to put the ball in the box. That's where we want goals. And he did that. He did what a winger has to do. You go past a full back, you put the ball with power in the box. It goes in, it hits someone, it gets touched, it saves, it ricochets where we score. You done your job, and he did his job as a winger, and it went in. Credit to him.
Kaiser
This is
Chiefs are on a roll. Mara, the biggest question is, are they title contenders? Mhlambe kusase early. Mdu Shabalala has played his 100th game for Kaiser Chiefs. Mara, what impact has he had lapha ku Chiefs? Yazi niyasithuka nto nithi mdulo mara sizo address manje. And then lastly, uRelebogile Mofokeng, we saw how he played ku AFCON. And we see how he's been playing for Orlando Pirates. Does this mean maybe he should focus more ku Pirates? Akhohlwe kancane iBafana Bafana. That said, welcome to another episode of the Omni Soweto Derby. Ngiphethe ama legend in studio. I have Sfiso Myeni, ngiphethe uThuso Phala. We're gonna break it down for you. They're gonna tell you why Kaizer Chiefs are in the title race, or maybe why they're not in the title race. Bazokutshela why Mdu Shabalala has had an impact, or maybe he's never had an impact. And then last but not least, they're gonna tell us about Relebogile Mofokeng. We need to have an honest conversation about him. Is he a local player than an international player? Mhlambe mele ahlale la ekhaya. Khona nenye eshisayo bathi Mofokeng is better than Nkota. Sobona khona. Makhotlo.
Sure. Pioneer.
Sure. Shamfiri.
Pioneer.
Eish.
Sengibulisa pioneers.
Hayi bo. Hayi.
Okay, so we won my early season. Who will be there at the top? We introduce Ilanget with Kaizer Chiefs title race.
Yeah. Of batla vele re
Ngulungena, yes.
Okay.
Qala ngayo
All
vele.
right. Ari Tomeso. 4 out of 4 since the year started.
Yes. Goals
2 in
against.
the league.
Mention them.
Amela, 2 in the league, and then 2 goal KEF. Ne? And then you even considered a goal. And you've only
Yes.
scored 4 goals in 4 games.
Mhm.
Is Kaizer Chiefs in the title race?
Yes, they are. Better defensive team in the league. I think when like if you have a good defensive structure, you're a championship team. If you don't concede goals, you have more chance of winning the game. And that's what Chiefs is doing. They might not be scoring goals, they might not be playing well, but they're not conceding. And that's a sign of a championship team. So that's a positive sign for us, Amakosi. Come end of the season, there might be a surprise there at the top. Never know.
Nsonda labantu bawina ama game nyana lithusa abantu baku title race.
It's like them saying ukuthi bazowina iCAF. Iproblem yabo le. Yabo.
It's possible.
So uyangizwa. And I'm saying is they are in the title race. They won't win it. Ayikho lula lento le. It's not easy. Yes, they've been doing well in terms of defending and obvious making sure they win, even though they don't win with a lot of goals. But for me now, yeah, title race. So babiza ama title race. Angeke bayibone lento le bafuna ukuyibona.
Mina, my only problem with Chiefs is we've seen this movie play out before. High Toma season. They win 5 out of 5.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everyone is saying that Chiefs ibuyile sizoyithatha. So much that at some point you were number 1 because of as Pirates and Sundowns were focused on other things. And then zithema zibuya lezi Z2.
The coach left.
Ralibona lehla.
The coach left.
So please.
Yeah. If the coach leaves, there's changes. Changes. Now you must adjust this. Now we have settled. Abaskori. Just take that to notice. Like Abaskori. If you didn't care for Abaskori. Who will score? Who will score against Chiefs?
Labantu badlale nama team ayi2 so far in the Betway Premiership.
Yes.
Golden Arrows Maromo Gallants.
Yes.
Ucheck ama stats ala team, both teams akusama team akorayo.
Arrows.
Akusama team akorayo lawo
check,
wethu.
check when Arrows play.
Arrows igcineni
They just got-
ngakafonile.
No. Let's
No,
not.
but they scored 2 almost every game. Watch Arrows. Like they drew 2-2, I think, Richards, Devon. Arrows always scores 2 goals a game. They win or lose, but they score 2 goals a game. Arrows.
Yeah, but there was a debate. Yeah.
Arrows scores.
Yeah, offside goal. I can't sure, but I can't.
Yeah, Arrows.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just saying Arrows is a goal scoring team. It's either they concede, they're like a Chelsea.
Mm.
Or a Barcelona. They always concede, but they always score also.
Also, lona le ba defendile sharp.
Yeah, but even
And
the
then
Sharp,
Marumo Gallants, is there a goal scoring team?
they don't even have a number 9. Gallant.
So then we can't say defense Chiefs is strong. But the Arrows, Fedi Arrows Yakora, Maranabo Mabakori Labakori 2, and they are most likely to concede. So Chiefs Valley was probably gonna win because by concede. Gallants I know number 9 Ekora, Sebati defense be solid.
Okay, what you're trying to say, okay, njengoba ngikuchola mina, is that they've not been tested.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. No, mate, I get your point.
Well, we'll see after the derby then, because the derby is where we'll be tested, right?
A little bit tested Sundowns.
Oh,
You're gonna be
even
properly tested Sundowns. And also you're gonna be tested. Chiefs, we can only say Kaiser Chiefs are gonna win the league or they're in the title race, maybe 3 or 4 games after say, but it's like two. Only then we can say Chiefs is so because this is the Chiefs we know. But we know 1-0 after Moba concedable 1-0, 2-1, 1-0, 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. Abakor.
yeah, but you can't count Chiefs out of the title race. So number 3 league in, bruh.
Mm.
You can't count them out of the race. We are third on the log. Can't count us out. Well, say what you wanna say, but I'm saying you might be surprised at the end of the season, bro. That's all I'm saying. As a Chiefs fan, as long as we're not considering goals, we have a shot in this league.
Mtsunda, if they are to win the league, yini emele bayenze? The Chiefs.
I think they should just keep the form. Leba nayo. Njengoba usho ukuthi it's gonna be a busy February. Izoba busy le February. Kula uzobona ukuthi amadoda bobani intwana bobani kule February to all the teams. That's where you'll see. Kuzoba angithi manje igap isasencane. Kuzoba ne huge gap. Uthi uyabona ukuthi kwamele I need to win 3, I need to win 4 games to catch up. Then we'll see. For them, yes, they're on good form. Let's see.
But do they have the depth?
Yeah, depth. No, not so sure about the depth. I don't think they have the depth. It's yet for me, because when you look at it and ngapha they playing caref, they playing ngapha ngithi manje phela
You use
manje
3 wingers, in fact.
ngapha
One position. What do you mean don't have depth?
and there's njengoba ungitshela ngalento le. Something came to my mind ukuthi even when they won the game yabo le babuya kuyo
Gallant.
le Gallant, lo muntu uthi uyacross
Who?
Like, kunini ngisho
but
bafiki?
uyashuta loya muntu
Lelepo.
obeka cross.
Lepo.
Wena okay.
Vision.
As a former player. Mara okay.
Vision.
As a former player.
Yeah.
Unayetsang mtholeda. Are re nile wena da. No yetsang.
Please
No
be
shooter or
honest.
no cross.
Please be honest.
You know, like as a right winger, ne? If you go past a defender, ne? Head down and you wanna deliver the ball in the box, right? That's what you do. If the ball hits a defender, goes to the keeper, he tries to catch it, goes in, or hits the top corner. I did my job as a winger. I go past the defender, I put it in the box. If it goes in, what was my intention? My intention was to put the ball in the box. That's where we won goals. And he did that. He did what a winger has to do. You go past a fullback, you put the ball with power in the box. It goes in, it hits someone, it gets touched, it saves, it ricochets where we score. You done your job, and he did his job as a winger, and it went in. Credit to him. Goal of the season.
Mtsunda.
Goal of the season.
But I explained to you how it is as a winger, and you understand it now. So what's his intention when you're out on the wing? It can be to cross, to pass, to score, but what are your intentions? Is to put the ball in the box, in the danger zone. And he did that. That's why he never even looked up. He went past the defender, head down, technique, power must be in the box, and it went in the top corner. He did what...
Mtsunda. Lo muntu bekageze kahle. Bekageze something.
And now he's here. He was
Bekageze ngento
you were
ya-
playing.
he's explaining us. He's explaining.
I'm sure you have a goal like this somewhere.
I never.
I'm sure there is a goal like that somewhere. No, there is.
No.
Even with Ntunda.
No, I get
Yes.
your point.
So what is you
And
saying?
it's true.
What was his intention?
To cross.
to put the ball in the box.
to cross, not to score. He ended up scoring. That's all.
So it's,
It's
a
not
lucky goal.
debatable.
So his intention was not for Chiefs to score. He was intending for the team to score.
For someone to score.
Or him.
No,
His intention.
no. As we said,
Let's call Lilepo and ask him. But I'm saying his intention was to get that ball in the net.
when the ball went in the net, he was surprised also.
No, it wasn't.
What do you mean?
No, man.
Whatever. Now I believe there's a difference between Mutu or shoot that intention for I'm going
Yeah.
for goal. Le Mutu shoot and find then you
Do you
again.
saw
Even the reactions start on the Shebile game, we were all not expecting him to score. Mole. Not expect that him ball ele ya go boxing go tlo heda
Hey.
Mutu keeper wa etshwara.
did you see the power on the ball? How we crossed it?
Ya go tswela
It was not like a chip. It was not like a cross. Did you see the power
keeper
to the ball?
keep only power.
Yes.
But what I'm saying is, lead the way, like in the positioning yakhe Nzonda.
Yes.
You were a wing now.
Yes.
I'm sure ngangilungisa. Ne positioning yakhe bombona lapha ukuthi uqede umuntu
Yes.
bekangasana plan ukuthi ngizoyenzani ngebhola.
Did he look up?
Wavele wathi ngiyalahlela.
Did he look up?
No, he didn't.
Nothing. Yes.
Tuso just explained it. My job is to and then
Go
put
past.
the ball in the box.
Yes.
Not go past and shoot.
Whatever happens, happens. Yes.
Yes. So hence we are saying it's a
if-
lucky goal.
If you're,
That's
it's yes, you are right. It's a lucky goal, but it's a nice lucky goal because
Never mind.
also if I'm a striker, it's not a mistake goal. It's a lucky goal because if I'm a striker, I'm on the edge of the box. I don't look up to the like where the keeper is standing, right? And then I go past the defender, and then I shoot bad, but and the ball chips. And the keeper was off his line, and then it goes over the keeper. So the lucky goal. My intention was to what? I kicked the grass, but the ball chipped over the keeper. Hey, no, I went past the defender, head down. I want to score,
Okay.
and that's what happened.
Okay. Kupari kwalem. Lucky goal, yes or no?
Beautiful goal of the season.
Lucky goal, yes or no?
You need luck in football.
Which means it's a lucky goal, Savon.
Yeah, it's a lucky one. Yeah, he's lucky.
Nzonda, lucky goal, yes or no?
Lucky.
Yeah, it's a lucky goal. A lucky,
Lucky goal.
beautiful goal.
Nizwele bafethu. Lodi Lilepo, the intention was not to score.
Ah,
Not my sign language. His intention was, let me take a full back on and then put the ball in the box. Whatever happens in the box happens. Kantelak was on his side that day. Wakor should be kahle umchita. Chiefs title race, yes or no?
yes, definitely.
Why? Because about number 3.
No, because as I said, like the defensive structure, like they're not conceding goals. So if you're a team that's not conceding, you're a championship team.
Or maybe it's just the team that hasn't been tested. Nzonda, Kaiser Chiefs title race, yes or no?
No.
Why?
For me, they have not been tested. And I don't think they have it, man. Abanayo, man. Inking as I was saying. And then obviously from the problems of last season, you wanna challenge. Aye. It's not like that. It's not. They are not there. Babon, bazocracka early abantu. Yeah, uyabazi. You wanna crack nje early nyana. Hence I'm saying kulo February lo, uzobona. You see everyone, but
Separated.
yeah, ukuthi
Separate the box from the-
Yeah.
amakhosi ajabulile. Uzowabona azobe sebakwatile bafuna abo-coach bahambe.
Anazwela bafethu. Kaiser Chiefs are not in the title race. This is a movie we've seen play out before. Seyijwayele lento lesike sayibona. uThuso uthi yena, no, they are in the title race because abaconcede, but have they been tested is the question. Hlulekile nokuyiphendula. Lo February we'll have all the answers that we need because badlala nama team antswembu kuphela kule February.